I cannot. That's crazy. What's going on, you guys? I am back with yet another video today. It's been a while. I haven't talked to you guys or stood in front of a camera for about a month, and I have night shift to blame for all that. Getting used to night shift took a lot longer than expected, but I think I'm good now. I think we got things situated. Today's video, though, is not about my night schedule. It's about this car meet that I'm going to be going to, Supreme Auto Works. I tried getting the Z louder last time I went there. That was a complete bust. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it up somewhere here. Make sure you go check that out. Tonight, they're hosting a huge car meet. I got the Z clean. Skylar is beautiful. Let Skylar be beautiful again. I'm going to be going there. I'll be vlogging as much as I can. I won't be talking today too much. I got a new camera set up. Hopefully you guys enjoy the quality a lot more. Let me know what you guys think. I'll be using this setup from now on. And I won't be talking too much to you guys. I'll be just recording and try to get as much cinematic clips as possible. So I'm going to go there now. If you guys are in the Philly, South Jersey area, definitely let me know. Comment down below and I will reach out to you guys with the details. So let's get going. I will see you when I am there. So we just got food with my friend Eden. Now is the Burnout show. We're gonna start doing burnouts. I'm gonna try to get as much clips as I possibly can. It's crazy out here. It's wild. This is what I live for. Guys at Supreme Auto Works, thank you for having me. Thank you for having all of us. I'm gonna end the video here. As always, guys, take my tip, comment, quote, whatever you guys want to call it. Be patient and trust the process. I'll see you guys next week. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.